Friends, today I will tell you how to record a lecture from your cell phone. As you know, schools and colleges are closed due to coronavirus. So many schools are shifted to online learning. So if you are a teacher or you are a student and you want to record a lecture, so you can do it on your cell phone. So for this purpose, you have to install two application. Number one is PowerPoint and number two is AZ screen recorder. So I will give you a demo how you can use these two application for recording your lecture. So firstly you have to go to Play Store and write here PowerPoint. So the Microsoft PowerPoint, click on it and install. I have already installed it. So our second application name is AZ screen recorder. AZ screen recorder, you can also install it. I already have installed. So these two applications are compulsory to record a lecture. So after installing these application, so you firstly have to so here is my AZ screen recorder. Just click on it. As you click on it, slide bar will open. uh, Number one is setting, number two is camera, number three is video recording, number four is live, and fifth is home recording. So firstly we turn it on, and secondly we have to open our presentation which we want to record. So I want to record a presentation. So I want to record this presentation. Okay, so here is a full screen. We have to press it. Full slide show. So my complete presentation is open on my cell phone. So I have to click on my AZ screen recorder. Now I have to touch third option where a cam recorder is present. So just click on it. Now my recording is started. So when you press on your right side of cell phone, so slide move forward, and when you press on your left side of cell phone, the slide move backward. So here is my slide where my objectives. Here is the anatomy, definition of anatomy. You can speak, you can whatever you want to speak, and if you want to hold, so press on AZ screen recorder and the press on the stop button.